Allego's revenue enablement platform helps teams learn, sell, and win, giving them the confidence to perform in every moment that matters. Allego uses AI to grow your business with one platform that replaces 7 tools and connects with 160 others. New hires ramp faster, and experienced reps keep sharpening skills with training that can access anytime, on any device. Training that once took hours to build is now delivered in minutes, right in the flow of work with instant, expert-level answers available whenever they're needed. When it's time to meet buyers, reps feel ready. They practice tough conversations in safe, AI-powered practice that builds skills and provides feedback before they ever talk to a customer. Built-in AI coaching and call insights help sales leaders save time and guide reps more effectively. Reps collaborate with buyers in personalized digital sales rooms that track engagement and drive up to 5 times higher results. Marketing and enablement feed the system with content reps need. AI surfaces it instantly, making it easy for reps to personalize and bring into buyer conversations. Leaders see what's working, connect activity to revenue growth, and customers report 45% higher win rates and 50% shorter sales cycles. Allego makes all this possible with simple software, practical AI that guides every step, and a customer-first team that gets you live in weeks and has your back every step of the way. With a pace of innovation recognized by leading analysts, loved by customers, and trusted by global enterprises for more than a decade, Allego ensures you'll always have an advantage. See Allego in action at allego.com.